A very good morning class 2. This is your English language class and we are doing chapter 9. I, we, he, she, they, you, it, me, us, him, her, them. So all these words are also called pronouns. And pronouns are the words that we use at the places of noun. So first of all, let me tell you what is noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing or an idea. And these words that are called pronouns, we use it on the place of noun. Okay. So first of all, read these conversations. Preena, where is father? Hari, he has gone to the market. For the father, we are using he. For the male persons, for the male single person, we use he. Okay? Isha, where is my coloring book? Asha, it is on the shelf. So, for the coloring book, we are using it. For the non-living things, we use it. This is the noun and we are using it on the place of this noun, and this is pronoun. So, it here, it is pronoun. Next one is Paro. Have you seen my crayons? Karan, they are in the drawer. Here, on the place of crayons, we are using they. Why we are using they? Crayons are also the non-living thing, but we are using they at the place of crayons because here we are talking about a plural noun. Okay? Crayons. It is having s with it, so this is a plural noun, and for the plural non-living we are using they. Okay, next one is John, will you play with me? Jaya, not now. I will play with you later. John is asking Jaya, will you play with me? Jaya said, not now. I. For herself, Jaya is using I. For herself, Jaya is using I. I will play with you later. Next is Usha, where is Asmita? Ali, she is very sick. Usha is asking, where is Asmita? Ali answered, she is very sick. On the place of Asmita, Ali is using she because for the female nouns, we use she. She is very sick. We can visit her in the evening. For more than one person, here Ali is talking about Asmita and himself. So, he is using we. For more than one person, we use we. We can visit her in the evening. So, in these sentences, he, it, they, you, I, she, we, all these words are the pronouns that we use at the places of noun. Now, he, she, it, they, you, I and we take the place of a naming word in a sentence. All these words that are known as pronouns, we use it on the place of a naming words in a sentence. If we have any naming word in our sentence, if we are having any noun in our sentence and on the places of that nouns, we can use these words. For males we use he, for females we use she, for the living things and for the things and animals we use it. We use they for more than one person. We use you for one person, animal or thing. We use I when we are denoting ourselves, and we use we when we are talking about more than one person. Okay? So all these are pronouns that we use at the places of our naming words or nouns. Now he, she and we are used for people. We use he, she and we for the people. He we used for males, she we used for females, and we used for more than one person. If we are talking about more than one person, then there we use we. Okay? He, she and we are used for people. It is used for animals and things. For the animals and things we used it. Okay? People के लिए हम use करते हैं he, she and we, और animals and things के लिए हम use करते हैं it. I, you, he, she and it are used for one person, animal or thing. I, you, he, she and it are used for one person. When we are talking about one person, animal or thing, there we use I, you, he, she and it. We is used for more than one person. For more than one person, we used we. जब हम एक से ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो हम we का यूज़ करेंगे. They is used for more than one person, animal or thing. और they का हम यूज़ करते हैं एक से ज़्यादा person, animal और thing के लिए. Okay class, so these are the pronouns that we use on the places of nouns. Okay. Now you have to read this at your home, and if you are getting any problem, then you can contact me. Okay, so this is all for today. In the next classes we will do the exercises of this chapter. Thank you.